Hind Rajab's killers have been identified and are being taken to trial in the first major legal battle against individual Israeli soldiers since the genocide began. Oh, and one of the people named was a U.S. Navy SEAL. This has the potential to be a major precedent-setting case in the prosecution of war crimes in Gaza. Earlier this week, the Hind Rajab Foundation submitted a filing to the International Criminal Court in The Hague naming 24 Israeli soldiers and commanders responsible in the killing of Hind Rajab, 6 members of her family, and 2 Palestinian Red Crescent paramedics who were there to rescue her. The filing contains detailed evidence identifying the Vampire Empire Company, which is operating under Israel's 401st Armored Brigade, as well as several individual names. The complaint first names several commanders, including Colonel Benny Erhan, Lieutenant Daniel Ella, and Major Sean Glass, a former U.S. Navy SEAL. Sean Glass is the one who ordered the murder of Hind Rajab. He is the one who is responsible for 355 bullets piercing the vehicle that she was sheltering in. Additionally included in the filing are the names of 22 team members who were part of the company who are also directly responsible for the death of Hind Rajab, and those names will be made progressively public as time goes on. Now, the foundation asserts that these attacks were carried out with full knowledge of the passengers' civilian and protected status following coordination between the Palestinian Red Crescent and Israeli authorities. Now, the IDF previously stated that it was investigating the incident, but multiple human rights groups noted that no substantive investigation had ever been opened. This, by the way, after the Israeli military initially denied ever having any forces in the area because apparently the car shot itself. The Foundation's filing, however, contains comprehensive digital, satellite, and forensic evidence that not only confirms that an Israeli tank of the Vampire Empire Company was present in that area, but it repeatedly shot into the vehicle that Hind Rajab and her family were trapped in. And the Foundation's legal team has concluded that these acts amount to war crimes, crimes against humanity, and genocide. Justice for Hind Rajab, and may her case, prosecution against her killers, may it lead to prosecution against all Israeli genociders.